Game over for ChatGPT? Meet Google's new chatbot, NotebookLM Complete Guide. The death of all ChatGPT chatbots are near. Google just publicly launched its new AI chatbot, NotebookLM, and it's a game changer. Here's everything you need to know about it. NotebookLM is free to use with limits. You can summarize facts, explain complex ideas, brainstorm, and much more. It works with Google Docs, PDFs, and text too. 1. Open NotebookLM. To get access, go to http://notebooklm.google.com/signup. You should be getting an email once you are able to try it. 2. Upload your documents. To upload your documents, click on plus New Source. A window will open where you can select the docs from your Google Drive, local files, or text. 3. Summarize your documents. The tool will automatically generate a summary of the documents you upload. 4. Ask questions. You can ask questions about the documents you've uploaded and follow up with more questions. 5. Generate ideas. NotebookLM is not only for Q&A, it can also assist you in generating new ideas. Six. Take notes. Furthermore, it offers a convenient feature to add your answers directly to your notes. You have the ability to edit these notes by adding or removing information as needed. The end is near for these ChatGPT wrappers. Visit the link to experience this. http://notebooklm.google.com